Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am with my friend right here. I'm sorry I can't pronounce her name, but say hello. But yeah, we are in the empty Jama and draw. Yes, beautiful. Yes, I see, yes, I see. Hello, whoever is watching this. Yes, whoever is watching this, hello. Yeah, like I said, I do a giveaway, and I'm proud for it. Do you know? I'm sorry. So, XD. But yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Just comment down below your username, like this video, subscribe, and I will pick a random winner, and the winner gets this rare, yeah, that's great spelling, rare bow and arrow. Yes, I have 2 of them. Yeah, I do. I know the way out of the way. I don't know, but yeah, tomorrow I am actually gonna do a huge not giveaway, meal time plus giveaway thing. Okay, me and my friends are crazy. OMG. Yay. Oh no, but I'm gonna do a huge meal time. Cough cough. And I'm sorry guys, I am just laughing right now. I don't know. I can't stop laughing. Oh my gosh. Whee. But yeah, guys. Well, this place looks beautiful. But yeah. We look spicy. Where is she? She left me. XD. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, I keep coughing right now. But yeah, these snowflake, these Arctic foxes are beautiful. Did I get all the new sculpture? Oh, Sketch Jam. Visit Peck Art Studio or click above to see new sketch. Ooh, that's cool. I actually want to see it. Let's go. Oh, wrong way. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Ooh, blue HD on trade. I want it. I'm just kidding. I'm not rare. Okay. I'm not rare, so. What? Wait. Let's just create that item. Oh my gosh, they added a lucky frame and a carnival frame? That's cool. Yes, quit. This is just beautiful right here. I'm actually surprised. Like, here, let me just pause this video. 5 subscribers. I'm so happy. It's like the best day ever. 5 subscribers. Yes, that's beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Channel arts. Your photos. Let's see. What does my photos look like? Yes, this is beautiful. Select. Yes, that's beautiful. Just kidding. No, I'm gonna change it. Select. Oh yes, I want to select from a computer. Let's just open. Oh man, your photos, gallery, upload. I just want to see how. Okay, that's good. Oh, all right, whatever. What is this? Oh no. Why do you gift me? Like, I said I'm doing a meal time, but you don't have to gift me, like. XD, thanks. I will save for meal time. Okay, that's so nice of you. Like, my buddy is the best right now. She is like on top. Unlike my spelling though. Okay. This is my, like, I don't know, guys. Oh, it's my sheep. I forgot about that. It's Pikachu. I'm just looking at my animals right now. Aw. I remember my black long used to be on that, but oh well. Like on that, on this, and that's all. Oh, my sloth. No problem. What happened? Sorry, I was making the deck. It's fine. What happened to my sloth? Like, where is the genie outfits? Wait, I found them. Shoes, where are the shoes? Oh yay. Yes, this is beautiful. Whoa, this stand is so cool. You need this. Oh, no TY. You keep. Since she's so nice, I'm just gonna give away my stuff to her. Hoi. I don't know, guys. I am just a very random person. I'll give you this rare, okay? Yes, yeah. It's beautiful. Rare, cool hair. And it's lacking. Come on. I'll just pause this video. Guys, it's not lagging. Yes, there we go. Yes. I'm so happy I just sent that to her. I am a genie who will grant your wishes. You received a rare. Beautiful. XD. I know it's beautiful. I don't know if she's doing a live right now. Oh no, what happened? XD. I'm scared. I don't want to look, but I have to. Thank you for mailbox. Well, all the gifts I sent you are for me whole time. Yes. And I will save them for tomorrow. Okay guys, so this is just a random video, like I said. To win the giveaway, just comment down below your username and I'll pick a random winner. And if there's no, I'll be there for your bid. Yes, please. Yes. So, just comment down your username. Oh, Lucky Party is back. Oh, that's great. Where is it? It's not there. Just kidding. I bet it's like right next or next. Okay. In 1 hour, I'm not gonna wait that long. Okay. But yeah, guys. I don't even know what you said. Okay, that rare bow. Yes, for giveaway of our thing and check out then right there. Yes, for a giveaway. Okay guys, like anyways, if there's no comments below, which is gonna be sad, I can just give it, like, I could just do a giveaway. I'm not gonna do trust because that's bad, I know. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah. So this is awkward again. Yay, it's for I know, right? Oh, okay. Yay. Oh, it's a cougar. I haven't done my cougar in so long. Like, where is it? Did I delete it? I hope not. I really I deleted it. There. Yay, oof, wrong animal. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you for watching again. It's just a random video, like I said. And, yeah. Anybody watching this right now, please go and, like, just go to her Jags and say nice things about her, because she is literally the best. Yes, yes, girl, yes, work that. Anyways, like I said, I'm gonna end this, and thank you guys for what? I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted, but yeah, peace.